This might be the first time I've ever seen A-Town Down Under get "This Is Awesome" chants. Have you?
I cheer for them. I
I say they don't get the love they deserve.
They don't.
I can never hear everybody
They're both
else
really good.
because I'm too busy yelling at them.
They don't deserve it.
They're good wrestlers.
Michaela says no. They're heels. And she's still irritated with them for beating John Cena. What were we looking at, Michaela?
Come on, Greg.
She smiled.
Oh.
Yeah!
You're rooting against Detroit Wrestling. A-Town down. Oh, yeah?
That's all I gotta say.
Sato.
Down,
Miato.
down! Aussie icon? Aussie icon. What the heck?
Oi, oi, oi.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie!
Oi, oi. Ouch. He had the rope down low, too. Uh-oh. Nope. Uh-oh, here it is, Miley.
I just died.
Miley, what's your reaction to this?
I'm dying. They haven't got enough wins recently.
Oh.
And I don't ever get
That's
to
a
see.
true statement, right?
I don't ever get to see that A-Town down. It's them and Ludwig need more wins. I'm telling you, they're underrated. They are.
They need more loses. Oh,
No.
Detroit Wrestling.
Austin.
That was sweet. What are you talking about? That was awesome.
But it wasn't Austin.
Oh, your boys are losing this, bro.
You're losing.
No, I'm not. Because I'm with them.
I'm always with them. I don't care if you think they're good.
Well, that's it. So,
In my heart, they'll win.
1,
They're the winners
2,
in my heart.
Thrizzle.
That was like 1.5, maybe.
That was 9. The ref counted so slow.
Excuse me.
It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
It was more like. It was
Wait,
more
who's the
like,
winners?
I think
Detroit Wrestling.
I think they said A-Town. Traitor.
I think you're the traitor.
I'm not. I've stuck with them since day one. All of a sudden, this tag team comes in and everybody's all like Detroit Wrestling.
Hey.
I'm loyal.